worksheet 2 of polynomials in earlier lecture. Okay. Now we are starting worksheet 3 today. Worksheet 3, page number 26, polynomials. In this worksheet we have to solve HCF and LCM. Okay. So from first question, HCF of we have to find HCF of two polynomials given 45x cube y square and second polynomial is given as 15x square y cube. Okay. First polynomial is given 45x cube y, second one is 15x square y cube. We have to find the HCF of this. So first we will find the factors. 45 factors of 45 are 5 into 9. 5 into 9 are the factors, but we can write 9 as 3 into 3. So 5 3s are 15, 53s are 45. And x cube, that means 3 times x. And y square means 2 times y. Like that, we have to find the factors of 15. Factors of 15 are 3 into 5. We will write 5 into 3. And x square means 2 times x. And y cube means 3 times y. Now we have to take common from these two factors. Okay. Common numbers are 5. Again 3. 3 is common, 5 is common. Again x from variables. 1x is common, second x is also common. Now there is no x in this, so x will not be common. Again y from this. 2 y's are common. Okay. Now we have to take the common from these two factors. Now HCF will be the multiplication of the common factors. What are the common factors? 5 into 3 into x and 2 y's, y into y. So HCF will be 5 3s are 15, x square and y square. Okay. So answer for the first question is HCF is equals to 15x square y square. Option number 4. Okay. Now second, we have to find the LCM of x to the power 4 minus 1 and x plus 1. We have to find LCM. Now again, we will take out the factors. Okay. X to the power 4. We can write x to the power 4 as x square whole square. It will be x to the power 4. You have studied in exponents. It will be 2 into 2. It will be 4. X to the power 4. Okay. Minus 1. We can write 1 as 1 square. Okay. 1 square will be 1. Now, here is the formula. Do you remember? A square minus b square. What was a square minus b square? It was a plus b into a minus b. So, if we consider x square as a and 1 as b, it is the formula of a square minus b square. Okay. So, we will write it in the form of a plus b, a minus b. So, it will be x square plus 1, x square minus 1. Okay. So, now further, here it is also, we can write 1 as 1 square. We will write in next step. Okay. x square plus 1. Now x square minus 1. We can write it as x square minus 1 square, because 1 square will be 1. It is same. Okay. Now again x square plus 1. Now it is again the formula a square minus b square. It is a, it is b. A square minus b square. Now if we expand it, it will be a plus b, a minus b. So it will be a plus b and a minus b. Okay. So these are three are the factors of this polynomial. Okay. Now second one is given as x plus 1. So for x plus 1 will be itself will be the factor. Okay. Now we have to find the common from both the factors. Okay. Common is x plus 1. Okay. Now LCM is in HCF we have to take just the common factors. Okay. In LCM we have to take common factors first. Common factors will be written only one time. Okay. X plus 1 is common. I have written x plus 1. Now write the uncommon factors. Uncommon factors are x square plus 1 and x minus 1. So uncommon factors are x minus 1 and x square plus 1. Okay. So LCM will be x plus 1, x minus 1, x square plus 1. But options are not in this form, so we have to solve it. Okay. Now again it is x plus 1, x minus 1. So again it is this, again it is in the reverse form. It is a plus b, a minus b. A plus b, a minus b. A is x and b is 1. Now a plus b, a minus b will be written as a square minus b square. So it will be x square minus 1 square is 1. Now what is remaining? X square plus 1. Okay. Now x square, again it is in the form of a square minus b square. If we write it as 1, I write it as 1 square. Again in second bracket I write 1 as 1 square. So it is again a square minus b square, a square plus b square. So it is a minus b. If we take a as x square and b as 1, so it will be a minus b, a plus b. So it will be a square means, here see, here it is a minus b, a plus b. Here a is x square and b is 1 square. So a square will be x square square. Okay. And b square will be 1 square. Here I have put the formula a plus b and a minus b. Okay. It will be x to the power 4 minus 1. So LCM we have got x to the power 4 minus 1 of these two polynomials. Okay. So answer will be fourth one. Okay. Now third one, we have to find again HCF of these two polynomials, that is minus 6 x to the power 5 and y cube. Minus 6 x to the power 5 y cube and 5 x to the power 4 y cube. So factors for first polynomial will be, it is minus, so we will write minus 1. Again it is minus 1 multiplied by 6, that is minus 6. Okay. Now for factors for 6 are 2 into 3. Again x is raised to 5, so we will write x 5 times. And y is cube, so we will write y 3 times. Now for these factors will be 5 is a prime number, So there will be no factors. 5 will be written as it is. X to the power 4. X is 4 times. So we will write x as 4 times. And y cube means 3 times. Now we have to find HCF. In HCF only the common factors are written. So common factors are, numbers are not common. Okay. What is common then? Variables are common. How many variables are common? 4 variables. X, 4 variables, that is x of are common. That is 4 times x is common and y is 3 times common. 3 y's are common. Okay. So HCF will be x is 4 times common and y is 3 times. So HCF will be x to the power 4 y cube. Okay. The option number is third. Now fourth one. We have to find again LCM of x cube minus 1 and x square plus x plus 1. Okay. Now we have to find the factors first. This is x cube minus 1. We can write 1 as 1 cube. So it will be x cube minus 1 cube. There is no change. 1 cube will be 1. So they both are same. Now x cube minus 1 cube. We can derive the formula a cube minus b cube. What is the formula for a cube minus b cube? It is a minus b a square plus ab plus b square. Okay. Formula for a cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So we can put this formula in this. Okay. This is a cube minus b cube. A is x and b is 1. So what it will be? It is a minus b, that is x minus 1. Again a square plus ab. A square means x square minus ab is x multiplied by 1, that is x, plus b square means 1 square, that will be 1. Okay. Here it is plus x square plus ab. Okay. Now factors for this we will write as it is, because here it is x square plus x plus 1 already. So we will write it as it is. Okay. Now we have to find LCM. So LCM will be, first find the common ones. These and these are common. So common we will write only one time. And then uncommon factors. Uncommon factor is x minus 1. Okay. Now we have got LCM as x square plus x plus 1 into x minus 1. But the options are not in this form. Okay. So we have to solve this. Again, if I write x minus 1 first, then it will be x minus 1 x square plus x plus 1. See, this is in the form of again a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Expansion for this was x cube minus 1 cube. We have derived this from x cube minus 1 cube. So it will be, by solving, it will be x cube minus 1 cube. From x cube minus 1 cube, we have derived this formula. See, this is a minus b, this is a square plus ab means x into 1 plus b square means 1 square. Okay. So it is x cube minus 1 cube. X cube minus 1 cube will be x cube minus 1. So we have got the LCM as x cube minus 1. So the option is third one. Okay. Now the HCF of fifth question. Okay, a cube minus a square x. Second polynomial is a cube minus ax square, and third one is a to the power 4 minus ax cube, and we have to find the HCF of these three polynomials. Okay, again we will find the factors of these three. So in the first, see, we can take a square common because small exponent is 2. So we can take a square common. If we take a square common, what will remain in the bracket? Here it is a cube. So I have taken a square common. Then how many a's are remaining? 1 a. So it will be a minus. Here it is a square into x. I have taken a square common. So what is remaining? X is remaining. You can check it by multiplying it in the bracket. A square into a will be a cube minus a square into x is a square x. Okay. Now in the second polynomial, if we take again a common, if we take a common, then what is remaining in the first? It is a square. 1 a I have taken common, then 2 a's are remaining. So I have written here a square minus a I have taken common, then what is remaining? X square. Okay. You can check it. A into a square is a cube minus a into x square is ax square. Again we can further expand it. It is a square minus x square. In the earlier question we have written the formula of a square minus b square. What was that? It was a plus b into a minus b. So we can write it again in the form of a plus b, a minus b. It is a square minus x, we have taken b. So it will be b square. A square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. So we can write it in the form of a plus b, a minus b. So it will be a into a plus x, a minus x. Again in the third polynomial, we will take a common. So what will remain in the bracket? I have taken 1a common. So what it will be remaining? A cube minus. Here a is taken common. So what is remaining? X cube. Okay. Now a I have written as it is. Now it is again the formula of a cube minus b cube. If we take x as b, it is the formula of a cube minus b cube. Formula for a cube minus b cube was a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, write down the formulas. You have to learn it. A cube minus b cube was a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. So if we write it in the form of this formula, it is a minus b first. A minus b means a minus x. Again a square means a square plus ab. AB means a into x plus b square. B square means x square. Okay. So we have written, we have derived we have expanded the expressions. Now we will for HCF we have to take the common from these factors. So what is common? A minus x is common. Again what is common? Again a is common. If I write a square as a into a, So a will be common again. And what is common? Nothing is common. A and a minus x are common. So HCF will be a into a minus x. So option is second one. This is given in the form of this a into a minus x. So option number second is the HCF of these three polynomials. Okay. Now level 1. Question number 1, level 1. HCF of a square plus 7a minus 18 and a square plus 10a plus 9 is given a plus 9. HCF is given of two expressions, two polynomials, and you have to find the LCM. Okay. So two expressions are a square plus 7a minus 18 and a square plus 10a plus 9. And HCF of these two polynomials is given as a plus 9, and you have to find LCM. Okay. So now we will calculate the factors of these two polynomials. Do you know how to calculate the factors of polynomials? It will two numbers whose multiplication should be the third term, that is minus 18, and whose sum should be 7. Okay. So the two terms are, first write the factors of 18. 3 into 9. Can it be? Sorry, 2 into 9. So we want multiplication as minus 18. So if we have to take one number as minus, so sum should be plus 7. So if we can't take minus 9, because if we take minus 9, it will be 2 minus 9 minus 7a. But we want plus 7a. So it should be minus 2 into 9. Okay. Minus 2 into 9 is minus 18, and their sum is 9 minus 2 plus 7. Okay. So the two factors will be a square plus, two factors we have got, plus 9a minus 7 minus of 18. Understood how to calculate factors? Now from these first two terms, what is common? See, here there is a, here is a square. So we can take just one a common. So it will be a, and in the bracket I have taken one a common, and in the bracket it will be 1a plus a. From this I have taken a common, and what is remaining? 9. Again second bracket will be same. Now I have taken a plus 9 common from this. So what is remaining? This, from these two terms, a is taken common. From third term it is remaining minus 7a. Minus 7 multiplied by a, it will be minus 7a. Sorry, here it is minus 2a. 9a minus 2a, that is 7. Okay. Now here it will be, I have taken a plus 9 common. What is remaining? Minus 2. So minus 2a, here it is, and minus 2 multiplied by 9 is minus 18. Okay. So factors will be a plus 9, bracket common, a plus 9, and in outside the bracket is a minus 2. So the factors of this a square plus 7a minus 18 are a plus 9 and a minus 2. Now we have to calculate the factors of this a square plus 10a plus 9. Now we want two numbers whose multiplication should be 9 and whose sum will be 10. So those two numbers are, we can write 9 into 1. 9 into 1 is 9 and their sum is plus 10. 9 plus 1 is 10 and 9 into 1 is 9. So we can take 9 and 1. So it will be a square plus 9a plus 1a plus 9. Now from first two terms we can take a common. So in the bracket it is remaining a plus 9. In the second bracket also a plus 9 will be common, and what is remaining is plus 1. Okay, plus 1a plus 1 into 9 is 9. So in the bracket a plus 9 and outside the bracket is a plus 1. Okay, so we have found the factors of this polynomial as well as this polynomial. Now HCF was given as a plus 9 and we have to calculate LCM. Now HCF into LCM is equals to what? Is equals to product of those two numbers. Here we can see polynomials. It is the formula, you have to learn it. HCF into LCM is always equals to product of two numbers, or if polynomials are given then polynomials. Okay, so we have to just put it in the value. So HCF is a plus 9 multiplied by LCM we have to calculate, and product of two polynomials. We have found the factors of these two polynomials, so we will directly write the factors. Okay, so first factor is a plus 9 into a minus 2. A plus 9 into a minus 2. Again polynomials, factors of second polynomials are a plus 9, a plus 1. So we will write a plus 9, a plus 1. So this is the factor product of two polynomials. Okay. Now LCM is equals to, we will again write it as it is, a plus 9, a minus 2, a plus 9, a plus 1. Okay. If I divide this a plus 9 to both sides, it will be here a plus 9. Okay. I have divided it to both sides. So here it will be a plus 9 upon a plus 9 will be 1, and this will be divided by a plus 9. So a plus 9 will get cancelled, and we will get LCM as a minus 2, a plus 9, a plus 1. Okay. So option is a minus 2, a plus 9, a plus 1. Okay. So the option is fourth one. Okay. Now second one, level 1, second question. GCD of 2x square minus x minus 1. And 4x square plus 8x plus 3. Now we have to again find the factors for finding the HCF of these two polynomials. So how we will find? So now we take third, as multiplication of two numbers should be third term. But if the first term have the coefficient as number other than 1, then we consider it as, we should consider 2 multiplied by 1. First coefficient multiplied by the last coefficient, that is 2 into minus 1. Okay, 2 into minus 1 will be minus 2. So we have to find the factors such that their multiplication should be minus 2 and their sum should be minus 1. Here it is minus 1. So what are those factors? So for 2 factor is 2 into minus 1. Can we write it as 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. But if we take 2 into minus 1, then 2 minus 1 will be only 1. But we want here minus 1. So it should be minus 2 into 1. Now check. Minus 2 into 1 is minus 2 and minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Okay. Got it? Minus 2 into 1 is minus 2 and minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So we will again take common from the first two terms. Common is 2x. And what is remaining? If we take common from first term 2x, only x is remaining. So it will be x. If we take from second term 2x common, it will be only 1. Now in the second bracket, it will be with x minus 1 and common is only 1. Now the factors are x minus 1 and 2x plus 1. Okay. Now for 4x square plus 8x plus 3, again the same. Here x square's coefficient is 4, so we have to multiply by 4 into 3. 4 into 3 is 12. So we have to find the two numbers whose multiplication should be 12 and sum will be 8x. So those two terms are see, if we take 6 to the 12, 6 to the is coming as 12 and sum of 6 and 2 is 8x. So we have find the two numbers as 6 and 2. So it will be 4x square plus 6x plus 2x plus 3. So again we will take common from this. What is coming common? 2 is coming common. So if we take 2 common, x is also coming common. So if we take 2x common from the first term, what is remaining? 2 into 2 should be 4. 2 into 2 is 4 and again x is common. So 1x is remaining. So it will be x. 4x square. From second term, if we take 2x common, what is remaining? 3 is remaining. So it will be 2x into 3 is 6x. Again, second bracket will be same. And if we take 2x plus 3 common, what is remaining? Only 1. So the factors are 2x plus 3 and 2x plus 1. Okay. Now we have to find GCD. GCD means also HCF. Okay. We take common ones. Common are 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1. So 2x plus 1 is common only. Okay. So HCF will be 2x plus 1. So the option is third one. HCF or GCD is 2x plus 1. Okay. Now third one, LCM. We have to find LCM in third question. It is x square plus 2x minus 8. And second polynomial is x square plus 4x. So we will again take the we will again draw the factors from this. So again here it is 1 only. So we have to calculate the factors for 8. They are two numbers that's whose multiplication should be -8 and whose plus should be +2. So the numbers are 2 into 4. We want minus. So here I take minus. 4 into -2 is -8 and 4 minus 2 is +2. So the two factors are x square minus 2x plus 4x minus 8. So by taking common x is coming common, x minus 2, again x minus 2 will be the bracket and common is plus 4. 4 into x minus 4 into minus 8. 4 into minus 2 is minus 8. Okay. So the factors will be x minus 2 and x plus 4. Okay. Now for x square plus 4x, if we take common from this x will be taken common. Now in the bracket it will be x plus 4. Okay. So these are the factors of this second polynomial. Now we have to calculate LCM. So in LCM, common factors are from these two polynomials, common factors are x plus 4. So we will write x plus 4 only one time. Common factors should be written only one time. Now uncommon factors are x and x minus 2. X and x minus 2 are the common factors. So LCM will be x plus 4 into x minus 2. So options are given in the form. If we write first x, then x plus 4, then x minus 2. So option is the first one. LCM is x into x plus 4 into x minus 2. Okay. Now fourth one. GCD of a square plus 4a minus 12 and a square minus 5a plus 6, and their GCD is given as a minus 2. GCD means FCF. Okay. It is given as a minus 2. So we have to find again the factors of these polynomials. So the factors will be those two numbers whose multiplication should be minus 12. Those two numbers are 6 2s are 6 multiplied by 2. We want here minus. So here it is plus. So how we will get plus? By taking plus 6 and minus 2. 6 into minus 2 is minus 12. 6 minus 2 is 4. So factors will be x plus 6 and x minus 2. Okay, I am directly writing here. You should practice it at home. Okay. Now again, numbers whose multiplication should be 6 and sum should be minus 5. So the two numbers are 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6 and minus 5 we will get by taking minus 2 and minus 3. Okay. Minus 2 into minus 3 is plus 6. Minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5. So the factors will be x minus 2 and x minus 3. Now HCF is given as a minus 2. Here it is a. So it will be a. But variable is given a, so it should be a. Okay. Now HCF is given as a minus 2. A minus 2 is the HCF. Okay. Now we have to calculate LCM. Now again the same formula. HCF into LCM is equals to product of two polynomials. Okay. This is the formula. Now HCF is given as a minus 2. LCM we have to find, and product of two polynomials. We have to find the factors. So we will directly write the factors. So two polynomials are a plus 6 into a minus 2, and factors of second polynomial are a minus 2, a minus 3. Then LCM will be equals to a plus 6, a minus 2, a minus 2, a minus 3 upon, if I divide a minus 2 on both sides, it will be a minus 2 upon a minus 2 will be 1, and this a minus 2 divided by, here a minus 2 will be a minus 2. So a minus 2 and a minus 2 will get cancelled, and we will get LCM as a plus 6, a minus 2, a minus 3. Okay. So the option is LCM is a minus 2, a minus 3 and a plus 6. Okay. So the option number is second. Now the fifth one. The LCM of x square minus 10x plus 24. And x square minus 8x plus 12. Again we have to find the factors. So that multiplication is 24. Those two factors are 2 into 12. 12 to the is 24, but we want some minus. So it will be minus 2 into minus 12. Okay. So minus 2 into minus 12 is 24, and here it is not coming. It will be 6 fours are. Minus 6 into minus 4 is 24, and minus 6 minus 4 is minus 10. So the factors will be a minus x minus 6 and x minus 4. Again, here two numbers, that's multiplication should be 12 and sum should be minus 8x. So those two numbers are, so here is 2 into 12, 2 into 6. So 2 into 6 is 12, but we want minus 8. So it should be minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 6 is 12, and minus 2 minus 6, their sum is minus 8. So the factors will be x minus 2, x minus 6. And we have to find the LCM. Okay. So first we find the common factors. Common factors are x minus 6, x minus 6. Common is x minus 6, so we will write for only one time. Then uncommon factors are x minus 2 and x minus 4. Okay. So the option is third one. LCM is x minus 6, x minus 2 and x minus 4. Okay. Now sixth, multi-correct choice type. Three monomials are given: 14x square, y cube, 21x square, y square, and 35 x to the power 4, y to the power 5, and z. So the factors for these are 2 into 7 into x. X is 2 times, y is 3 times, and for 21, 3 sevens are, and x is 2 times, y is 2 times. Again for 35, it is 5 sevens are 35, and x is 4 times, and y is 5 times, multiply by z. Okay. Now HCF of these three polynomials are, what is common in these three? 7 is common, and x is, two x's are common. Okay. And how many y's are common? Only 2 y's are common from these three polynomials. Okay. Now HCF will be, take the common ones. 7 is common, x square is common, and y square is common. So HCF is, the first option is HCF of numerical coefficient is 7. So this is numerical coefficient. Okay. HCF is numerical coefficient is 7. Now second, the HCF of numerical coefficient is 35. This is not 35, only 7. Okay. The first option is correct. And the third one, the HCF of literals. Literals means variables. HCF of variables is coming as x square, y square. So the third option is also correct, x square, y square. And fourth one is wrong. We have to, HCF is coming 7, x square, y square. First and third option are correct. Okay. So now remaining we will take in next lecture. Up to this, do you have any doubts? Yes? Okay. So further we will take in next lecture. Okay. Bye.